Artificial intelligence is often seen as objective and impartial, but is it really? AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on, and when that data contains human prejudice, the results can be troubling. In today's video, we'll explore how bias creeps into AI, whether it's merely reflecting or actively amplifying human prejudice, and what can be done to address this critical issue. To understand bias in AI, we need to look at how these systems are built. AI learns from data, lots of it. This data comes from the real world, which means it carries the same imperfections, inequalities, and prejudices that exist in society. For instance, if historical hiring data shows a preference for certain demographics over others, an AI model trained on that data might replicate those same discriminatory patterns when making hiring recommendations. One famous example is a recruitment tool developed by a major tech company. It was trained on resumes submitted over the past decade, but because most of the successful applicants were men, the AI began to favor male candidates, penalizing resumes that included words like women's, as in women's chess club. This wasn't deliberate, it was the result of bias baked into the data. Now here's the key question. Is AI just reflecting human bias, or is it amplifying it? In many cases, AI doesn't just replicate bias, it makes it worse. Why? Because AI systems scale decisions. A biased human might make discriminatory choices one at a time, but an AI can make biased decisions on a massive scale, affecting thousands or even millions of people. This amplification can have far-reaching consequences, from unfair lending practices to biased criminal sentencing algorithms. Another factor is how AI interprets patterns. AI doesn't understand context the way humans do. It sees correlations, not causations. For example, if an AI notices that certain zip codes are associated with higher default rates on loans, it might flag all applicants from those areas as high risk, ignoring the socioeconomic factors at play. This creates a feedback loop where existing inequalities are perpetuated and even deepened. So, what can be done to address bias in AI? The first step is awareness. Developers and organizations need to acknowledge that bias exists and take active steps to mitigate it. This starts with diverse datasets. If the training data represents a broader range of perspectives and experiences, the AI is less likely to learn and replicate harmful patterns. Another important step is transparency. AI systems should be designed to explain their decisions, making it easier to identify and correct biases. For example, if an algorithm is denying loans to a specific group of people, it should be able to show the factors that led to that decision. Testing and auditing are also critical. Regularly evaluating AI models for bias can help catch problems early. Some organizations are even forming ethics teams to ensure their AI systems align with principles of fairness and inclusion. But here's the thing. Addressing bias in AI isn't just a technical challenge, it's a societal one. AI reflects the values and priorities of the people who create it, which means we need a broader conversation about what fairness and equality look like in the age of AI. This includes involving diverse voices in the development process, from engineers to policymakers to the communities most affected by these systems. In the end, AI is a mirror, one that reflects both the best and worst of humanity. Whether it amplifies prejudice or helps dismantle it depends on how we choose to use this technology. By being intentional and ethical in our approach, we can ensure AI serves as a force for fairness, not division. Thanks for watching Mind, Machine, and Marketing. If you found this exploration of bias in AI thought-provoking, give this video a like and subscribe for more insights into the ethical challenges and opportunities at the intersection of technology and humanity. See you in the next video.